Vlogs, and guess who is here with me? So it is...
Hi, Katie.
Katie B. So, yeah, we're in her room right now, and I'm going to spend the night here, so...
We need to...
Hooray!
Yay!
So, we're going to make some flying animals in this vlog, and it may be a little different than you think. We will literally make animals fly around the room. So we will...
It's so funny!
We'll see you in a
So
second.
guys,
Sadly, it's been so long, and of course I have not aged, that Katie B has died. Wow. And, ah!
I'm back from the dead.
Sweet. Then why do you have a cute outfit on?
Because I was...
It's magic.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, we're about to make animals fly. So I'll see you in another sec. We're gonna make these things on here fly. So,
Okay.
hi.
Turn off the light. Just tap it.
Oh! Okay, turn it back on. Okay, we'll just leave it like this. Holy crap! That's a little! Sorry, it's so blurry. It's just the lighting.
Oh my god.
We're doing that again. Holy crap! Just went too fast.
That is funny.
All right, we'll see you
I fell to the ground.
in a third
We have
second. More now.
Look at my precious ring.
It's not really good.
I'm gonna
I
put it
hate
on
this
low.
lighting.
I'm gonna
Now I can't see. Okay.
put it on low.
Low, yeah, because we have so much stuff, it's literally leaning it over.
And it's not gonna work. It's not working.
Do medium.
Actually spinning.
Okay, put it on high.
Let's see high. Oh my gosh. This
Just
is so
wait
slow.
for it, wait for it.
Oh my god.
We'll wait.
Medium.
No, don't. It's not gonna work.
This is like a roller coaster.
Put it on high.
Hi.
Do it, leave it on high. It's going off. I can see it going off. Just leave it on.
What? Oh, the blanket's about to come off.
Yay.
And your coat's about to come off.
I'll help a little.